I didn't do a lot of updates on the boat because we had very bad weather for the first 2-3 days. Basically a lot of rain and lots of mist, so driving through the fjords was not as spectacular as I was hoping for. But then just yesterday on our last full day we had some, the clouds broke up a bit and we even saw wildlife. We saw blue whales for the first time in my life, and some baby dolphins and lots of birds. And now arriving here in Puerto Montt we have an amazing sunrise, first sunrise in 5 days now.
Built our home out on the slopes, Pompeii beneath, she lay above. How she haunted our home, how she haunted our home. You were a god in my eyes, above the clouds, above the sky. You were a god in my eyes, you were a god. Took me walking through the town, showed me the statues underground. Said just don't they look at these? Sometimes I wish that was me. And I was the son you always had, tugging at your coat while you were sad. I was the son you always had, I was the son you always had.
Chao was very nice, actually, lots of wooden houses, and I'm trying to find the curanto. That's how the locals prepare their barbecues, by digging a hole in the ground and adding hot stones and then meat, potatoes and fish, and then they eat it 5-6 hours later. So I will walk and hitchhike back now, hoping to find one of these things going on.
Want you to. Stay in the car and wait, there's just some things I have to say. Don't you know I miss her too, I miss her just as much as you. And so my father and my son, as you end what you've begun, you'll lie patient by her side, roses red come lilies white.
Good morning, my last day here on Chiloé. I'm just on my, about to leave Castro behind me. I just wanted to see the little wooden houses on the stilts there. I think they're called Pablitas. So I went up this viewpoint here. Unfortunately, I'm a bit far away, so I think I will walk down again to get a bit closer. Yeah, but nice view anyway, except for these two telecommunication towers here.
I was too young to understand.
Yeah, hitchhiking worked out. The guys in the background, a couple from Australia, picked me up. And yeah, we're going all the way to Puerto Varas now, and we can see the volcano for the first time. It's spewing some ash. Not as much as in the first day, so it's not a major eruption, but it's yeah, kind of nice to see it live now.
I want you to, and just don't cry, hold your head up high, she want you to, she want you to, please just don't cry, hold your head up high, she want you.
Alright guys, getting close to the volcano now. It's not as active as 2 days ago when it completely erupted with a 15-kilometer high ash cloud. This one is probably, no idea, but maybe 1 or 2 kilometers. And yeah, I was really lucky getting picked up by a nice couple from Australia. So I have one more contact in Australia for Tasmania actually, so that's really cool.
Excited to see you.
Yeah, and we're going, well, we're actually on the way to Puerto Varas now, so let's see how the view is from there and let's see what the volcano is doing the next days. Woo! He's my host, and this guy, he was actually on the volcano when it erupted. Do you want to say something?
Hello!
I survived.
He survived.
If you see these days that trending video around the world, that was me over there. I survived.
Quite a lot of calls from CNN, no, ABC. ABC.
CNN, ABC.
Everyone wants the video.
I'm getting 20 emails an hour or something. It's been crazy. It's been crazy.
We've been to Frutillar and now we are where?
Puyehue.
Yeah, that's something it's impossible for me to pronounce. So I'm not gonna say it right. Yeah, so this is my last day in Chile, probably. I'm hitchhiking from Osorno to Villa la Angostura in Argentina. Because there's only one bus in the morning at 8:50 and my clock was not correct, so I was there too late and I missed the only bus from Puerto Varas.
I see boxes fills up a room, things I never told you still glowing.
30 kilometers to the border, and actually I bought food because well, I just planned that I planned for the worst basically, just in case I have to camp somewhere on the road. I think that's the ash from the volcano because it covers kind of everything and I can feel it in my throat already. Yeah, let's see how it looks over in Bariloche. I think it's a bit worse there. Complete cars were buried under ash from the volcano eruption. Calbuco, I think 5 days ago now. I think they don't like me. So I'm actually heading to the Puyehue National Park. That's where I wanted to go in the first place. And I'm 10 kilometers away from the entrance of the park. And there's, well, at least on my map, there are a lot of viewpoints. So if I can't get a ride, I will probably walk the 10-12 kilometers to there and camp there. And then it's just 20 more to the border the next day. So worst case, I'll just walk into Argentina. Let's see. But I'm hungry, so I'll try to have lunch now. Yeah, I'm really lucky today. I walked for half an hour and then these guys came and picked me up. They're in the customs now, so we reached the border of Chile. And from here it's another 15 kilometers, I think, to the entry point in Argentina. Just got my entry stamp for Argentina, so that all worked out very well. And yeah, such a special situation here with all the ash, especially up at the Paso, which is 1,300 meters high, so I'm glad I didn't walk that actually.